Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do POV or point of view edits in CapCut for PC. So a point of view edit is usually used by YouTuber gaming where you show what you play on certain game and while you're showing yourself in the video on or how you react while you playing the game. So here I'm going to add two video of the games that being played and also the ones that playing, so it's not actually me. So I download this footage from stock, and I'm going to add the main video is the game that I play, and here is the game. I'm going to change the ratio first into this one's right here. Okay, so this actually the YouTube format like this. So this is the game that I download from Shutterstock, and then I'm going to add, for example, this is me playing the game, so I'm going to put it at the top of the main video like this. Okay, so this one is at the top, and here I'm going to make it smaller like that and put it at the bottom, or you can also put it at the top like this. And here is how it looks like. So basically this one is the one who's talking and playing the game, and this is the games that you play. You can also put it in here so that it doesn't uh like change or disturb the view of the games that is being played like that. Okay, I think it's actually better if you put it at the bottom like this. Okay, if you're done, you can just click on export and export your video. Okay guys, so I think that's all. That is how you can do POV edits on CapCut for PC. It's so easy and I think you can follow it right away. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next following videos.